Lifers! Good evening po sa inyong lahat. Grabe, nakaka-inspire naman yung napanood natin kanina, no? Grabe. I would like to give my honor and my respect to our diamond, Miss Lynn Urbano. Palakpakan naman natin siya. Grabe, tonight is a very special night because we are going to talk about the Nitro Nutrition, no? So, welcome. Ano po ba yung Nitro Nutrition? 'Di ba? Bakit napaka-exciting na pakinggan natin siya ngayon, no? At alamin kung ano ba 'to. By the way, yung Nitro Nutrition po is a program that is designed to really boost up your nitric oxide production. And to tell you proudly, wala pong ganitong programa sa buong mundo. Kaya you are so blessed today sa lahat po ng mga bago at dun po sa mga ating mga business partners na and sa ating mga ambassadors of hope and ambassadors of good health, no? So, marami po kayong matututunan today, kaya please stay tuned and make sure that you are going to focus and kalimutan po natin yung mga dapat munang kalimutan. Alright, so let's begin. So, ano po ba yung nitric oxide? Yan yung unang-una nating dapat maintindihan. Ang nitric oxide, as you can see, tinawag po siyang miracle molecule. No, napakabigat ng word na yan, miracle molecule. And take note, it was the winner of the Nobel Prize Award in Medicine. So kung nakikita niyo yung pinaka-ginto, no, yung ginto na parang medal dyan, yan po yung seal of Nobel Prize Award. And take note, nakaka-intriga yung word na miracle molecule. No? Sabi ko, wow, bakit siya miracle molecule? Unang-una, as you can see, ang pinaka kinokontrol niya is yung vasodilation ng iyong ugat. And take note, talagang milagro yun kasi ang buong katawan ng tao, kapag inisip mo yan, no? Kapag inanalyze mo and you've researched about it, imaginein mo ang katawan pala natin, kaya niyang palibutan ng earth, no? Yung ugat natin, no? Ng 2 beses at may buntot pa. And take note, ang nagko-control po doon is yung nitric oxide, yung kanyang pagiging elastic and pagiging what you call that, yung pagbavasodilate, no, nitric oxide po ang nagko-control. And another thing, kaya talagang napaka-importante na maintindihan niyo po ito is because the number 1 cause of death in the world is cardiovascular disease. Wow. Imagine, pag samasamahin mo na yung lahat ng pinatay or yung casualty ng gera, hindi niya kayang tapatan ang pinatay ng cardiovascular disease. And since it is the number 1 cause of death, lahat po tayo candidate dyan. No, yung mga bata-bata pa, medyo pwede, pero hindi eh. May mga 19 years old na nasustroke, nagkakaroon ng cardiomyopathy, di ba? Yung ibig sabihin niya, nagkaka-heart attack, di ba? So, wala na. Meron ngang 8 years old na high blood. So, it's very, very important to understand the foundation on how are you going to take good care of your cardiovascular system. And may good news naman, no? Sabi nga ni Dr. Louis Ignaro, basahin niyo po yan, that no more heart disease. How nitric oxide can prevent, even reverse heart disease and stroke. Wow, that's a huge statement. Pwede naman pala siyang ma-reverse at pwede rin naman pala siyang ma-prevent. Kaya lang, kailangan mo maintindihan how are you going to make sure that your nitric oxide is adequate and your body is producing yung amount na kailangan niya on a consistent basis. And one of the things that really intrigued me is that, look at this one. Sa PubMed, pag ni-research mo, yung public medicine po, that is a public library of different kinds of research sa medicine and science. So, dyan nag-research yung mga scientists and yung mga nag-aaral tungkol dun sa isang mga importanteng discovery po na nakakatulong sa katawan ng tao at ng science. Nakakagulat na ang nitric oxide is 185,700 81 ang articles na published doon sa nagagawa nito sa katawan ng tao. And that is very, very huge. Kinumpute ko siya, aabutin ka ng 500 years. Wow! Isipin mo, 500 years to read all the articles ng nitric oxide kung babasahin mo siya ng araw-araw, no? So, para mas maintindihan nyo more precisely kung saan nanggagaling yung nitric oxide, panoodin nyo po tong video na ito.
Nitric oxide is naturally made in our bodies. A Nobel Prize was awarded for the discovery that nitric oxide plays a significant role in the cardiovascular system. This discovery revealed nitric oxide as a vasodilator, helping to reduce blood pressure and increase oxygen in the blood. Produced by the lining of the blood vessels, known as the endothelium, nitric oxide acts as a messenger molecule, telling blood vessels to widen or dilate, and contract or relax, like an elastic band. With enough nitric oxide, blood vessels can relax and widen, allowing blood to flow from and to the heart. As we age, we produce less nitric oxide. This can cause the cardiovascular system to become less elastic, which can reduce the flow of oxygenated blood to vital organs. This is the reason it's important to have an active lifestyle and a diet that's rich in nitrates, which bioconvert to nitric oxide and may help maintain normal blood pressure levels and a healthy cardiovascular system.
Alright, no? So, ang nitric oxide po pala is nasa loob na ng katawan ng tao. It is really, it is being naturally produced by our body. It was given to us by God ever since when we are born. But the problem is, as we grow older, titigan niyo po yung mabuti, no? Pag tayo po ay umabot ng 40 years old and above, look at that. Nagbi-blink-blink na po yan. Ibig sabihin, we are already in a danger zone. So, ibig sabihin, kapag nasa danger zone ka na, ano ang nangyayari sa katawan? Ganyan po. So, titigan niyo pong mabuti yan, no? Pagdating mo nung 20s, 30s, 40s, pagdating ng 40s, kumakapal na po yung ating ugat. That is very scary, Kasi unang-una, ang realization na dapat maintindihan mo dyan is that lahat po ng tao tatanda. Kapag ang tao tumatanda, yan po ang nangyayari. The problem is we are not aware of that. And as you can see on the chart, it is stated that kaya kumakapal at nagkakaroon ka ng mga plaque buildup is because when you reach the age 40, 50% na lang po yung nitric oxide na dumadaloy sa katawan ng tao. And partida pa yan because wala po dyan ang mga cardiovascular disease, wala pang sakit dyan. Hindi pa kasama dyan yung bisyo, yung yosi, yung puyat, yung pag-aabuso, yung iba nagda-drugs, no? So, yung katawan natin talaga, nagkakaroon din po yan ng wear and tear. So, you have to be aware na pagdating mo ng 40 years old, medyo ingat-ingat na po tayo dyan. Bakit? Tingnan nyo naman ang katawan natin. Mula ulo hanggang paa. Makikita mo dyan na punong-puno po tayo ng ugat. No? So, yung ugat na yan, medyo delikado yan, lalo na kapag sobrang liit. So, yung mga major organs natin, as you can see, especially the brain and the heart and the kidneys, actually halos lahat sila. Kapag hindi mo naagapan ang pagiging flexible ng iyong mga ugat, lahat po yan pwedeng mag-cause ng aneurysm or ng pagputok or ng magkaroon ng thrombosis. So, napaka-importante po ng nitric oxide. Kaya ang sinabi nga ng mga eksperto, pinag-aralan nila, sabi nila, how important is nitric oxide in the body? And why do we need nitric oxide? So, nag-test sila, no? Tinignan nila yung weight. Kung bakit sobrang importante ng nitric oxide sa katawan ng tao. Number 1, as you can see, they compared it into oxygen. Ang oxygen po pala, pag tinanggal sa katawan ng tao, 3 minutes, ladies and gentlemen, you're dead. Pero 3 minutes, no? Pinag-aralan nila yung shelter, yung mga nasa Titanic, best example, yung kapag nalamigan ka. No, yung sobrang lamig, aabutin ka po ng 3 hours to live. Tinanggalan tubig, 3 days, no? Para mamatay ang tao, 3 days, huwag mong painumin. Tinanggalan ng pagkain, grabe ito pala ang good news sa lahat ng mga kagaya ko na masarap kumain. 3 weeks pala bago pa tayo mategi bells, no? So grabe, 3 weeks. And take note, tinanggal ang nitric oxide sa katawan. Ang tao po hindi kayang tumagal ng 5 seconds because we are going to die. That's why they call it the molecule of life. Grabe, no? Ganun siya ka-powerful, ganun siya ka-dapat maintindihan because ang nitric oxide is really ang buhay ng tao dependent po sa nitric oxide. Ngayon, yan din ang reason kung bakit kapag ang nitric oxide ng katawan ng tao is depleted, ito po yung nangyayari. Nagkakaroon po ito ng yan na, yung cause ng lahat ng sakit. Kaya makinig po kayo sa aking mabuti. Sa lahat po ng tao na may sakit ngayon, no? Number 1 na dapat nyo pong isipin, ang foundation po ng healing ng tao is it has something to do with chronic inflammation. And ang chronic inflammation po, nangyayari po yan kapag depleted na po ang iyong nitric oxide. Malaking factor po ang nitric oxide if you really want to recover fast, if you really want to fight the diseases, and if you really want na wag magkasakit. Yan po ang sinasabi ng science because all diseases starts po with inflammation. Ibig sabihin ng chronic, talagang yung hindi gumagaling. Diyan po nagsisimula yung cancer, yung cardiovascular disease, yung IBD or yung irritable bowel syndrome, yung renal disease, yung arthritis, yung autoimmune disease, yung pancreatitis, and even diabetes. Lahat po yan is connected, ladies and gentlemen po, doon po sa ating nitric oxide depletion. Pero ang good news, ito po, no? Tingnan nyo mabuti yung chart na yan. Sabi nila kapag ang nitric oxide is very, very high, ang inflammatory factors or yung pamamaga ng mga cells ng katawan ng tao ay mababa. Bumababa talaga. So, ibig sabihin, ang foundation po ng recovery ng tao, it has something to do with nitric oxide supply po sa katawan. No? Kailangan po siyang palakasin. And another thing is that nitric oxide has 3 important immune system defense. Ano po yun? No? Yung antiviral, antimicrobial, tsaka po yung antithrombotic. Very, very timely. Dito po sa kinakalaban natin na virus ngayon. Nabuti na lang talagang medyo humihina na ang ating kaibigan na si COVID. Kaibigan ba natin siya? O no, kaaway. Anyway, no? So, humihina na siya, ladies and gentlemen. Pero, timely pa rin. It is ingat pa rin po tayo, no? Kasi nga, napakatindi niyan pag tinamaan ka. But again, nitric oxide is very good antiviral, antimicrobial, and antithrombotic. Ano po ba yung thrombotic? Yung pagbara ng ugat, no? Kasi yun naman talaga yung cause, no? Nung mga viruses, di ba? Especially the COVID virus. Ang COVID po, no, ang gagawin niyan sa'yo, talaga magbabalad clot yung alveoli mo, sinisira niya yung lower part ng lungs. So, ang tawag po doon, thrombosis, no? So, ngayon, piniprevent po ng nitric oxide yung ganyan. And if it's there, talaga tinutulungan niya rin yung recovery. That's why maraming articles po sa PubMed na ang ginagamit po nila when it comes to people who are intubated na kailangan gumagaling, binibigyan po yan ng high dose ng nitric oxide. And another thing that really amazed me is that how nitric oxide affects the physiological factors, no, or physiological chemistry of the human being. Unang-una yung apoptosis. Have you heard about apoptosis? Apoptosis is all about cellular death, no? It's about cell death. Alam niyo po kasi, ang cells natin nagre-regenerate po yan. Alam ko every 90 days, we are producing new cells. Yung mga cells po na hindi po namamatay after 90 days, yan po yung mga nagiging cancer, no? Yung mga nagiging cells that as nagiging uncontrollable. So, kailangan meron pong nagdidikta sa kanila that they have to really die and rest so that new cells will be emerging in our body. But the problem is if there is a chemical problem or DNA impairment, ang nangyayari itong mga cells na to, yan po yung nagkukos ng mga iba pang damages sa katawan. So, napaka-importante na merong adequate nitric oxide para nakokontrol din po yung apoptosis. Yung collagen synthesis naman is also very important. It's not all about beauty. It is also in relation to the internal organs or system ng katawan. Alam niyo po kasi ang katawan natin, talagang kailangan po yan, talagang firm and tight, especially the organs. Matindi po ang collagen, no? Yung collagen is very important para po yung capability of our organs is functioning very well. At foundation din po sa pagpuproduce ng collagen resilience or ng collagen ng katawan ng tao is si nitric oxide, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, yung angiogenesis. Angiogenesis is the way of the cells to produce its own circulatory system. Ang kulit, no? Grabe yan yung mga abnormal mutation na nakukuha natin sa exposure sa mga free radicals, sa stress, sa different kinds of abuse that we're doing in our body. So pag yan hindi mo na controlled, sigurado ko sa'yo, ikaw ang dadalihin yan. But good news, nitric oxide is going to help you control that, na ma-maintain yung katawan mo into the normal state. Vasodilation, that is the, the flexibility of your veins and arteries, because when it's flexible, the oxygen will flow. When the oxygen flow, the nutrient will flow po, no? Anti-thrombotic properties is increased if there is a nitric oxide is there. Ibig sabihin, maiiwasan po yung pag-blood clot. At kapag naiwasan ng pag-blood clot, aneurysm and stroke will be prevented. Another thing that I like is the neurotransmission. As you grow older, you tend to really have a degeneration of the nerve cells. Nitric oxide was able to really, number one, yung iba na regenerate niya. Sabi nila, hindi doon na-regenerate ang ating brain cells, but latest research, it's not true. Nitric oxide is the one who is helping to help the brain regenerate. So, napakaganda po sa mga stroke patients talaga kasi sila yung mga na-damage. At the same time, yung mga people who have problems with mental, state, yung mga may Alzheimer's, may dementia. Nitric oxide plays a vital role with that. And of course, yung inhibition of bacterial adhesion, yung pagdami ng bacteria. Because when bacteria is there, mahihirapan ng immune system mo. They need help. Nitric oxide is going to help the immune system fight those kinds of invaders in your body. And revitalization is about a cellular regeneration, no? Para wag ka magkasakit, mag-function ka na mas maganda. You age backwards nga naman kung gusto mo pang mas magkaroon ng anti-aging effect. So, ladies and gentlemen, kaya ito ang rason. Kapag nawala ang nitric oxide ng katawan ng tao, good luck sa'yo. Lahat ito magmamalfunction. Pag mag-function po lahat ito, congratulations, sigurado, game over ka na, no? Magsisisi ka na kasi hindi mo alam kung saan ka pwedeng mapunta. So anyway, dalawa po ang pathway ng nitric oxide. Dalawa lang, no? And good news, ladies and gentlemen, dahil po sa Nitro Nutrition, we are really the only company who is producing this in a system, ha? So, explain ko lang ng konti. Yung una, yung nanggagaling po siya. Ito po yung pinakamabilis na pathway wherein you are using the power of your saliva. And congratulations, by using the Kayani FX and Nitro Extreme, itong dalawang to, my favorite. I love them. When I wake up, I take this one, combination po ng Extreme at FX. Nako, FX pala pareho to, no? So, FX at Extreme, no? Yan, no? Magkaiba po yun. Kaya lang yung nandito parehong FX. So, we have this, yung Nitro Extreme, na may yung ating travel size. Mapakaganda po niyan. And, of course, we have the other pathway. Yan po itsura niya. We have the other pathway, which is, by the way, no, bago tayo magpunta dun sa pathway na yon, gusto ko rin ipakita sa inyo, ladies and gentlemen, look at this screen. Proven, tested, validated po. Yung Nitro FX and Nitro Extreme was able to produce the nitric oxide of your body in 3 hours. Grabe, 100%. Alam niyo po ang mechanism nito. Pag pinatak mo to under the tongue, no, ang itsura nito parang dropper na parang tiki-tiki. Ayan pag pinatak mo yan na ganyan, nilawayan mo, automatic, kasi po ang laman nito, ano bang laman yan, Miss Cookie? Nitrates and nitrites po ang laman nito. NO3 and NO2. Because of the microbial catabolism, the capability of the bacteria of your saliva to decompose the nitrates and the nitrites, paglunok nyo po nito sa stomach nyo, sisirain naman ng inyong gastric juice, automatic, boom! Magiging gaseous sa katawan and it will perform the wonders of the nitric oxide. And we are the only product in the market who can do that, ladies and gentlemen. Palakpakan naman natin si Kayani, no? Thank you, Lord, for Kayani. And of course, syempre, we would like to have it 24/7. So, ginawa nila, gumawa pa sila ng mga products who can really regenerate and, yung magstay, yung nitric oxide sa katawan, which I'm going to discuss with you later on. So, yan po yun. Now, ano po ba yung nitro effect? No? So, naintindihan nyo na kung gaano ka-importante ang nitric oxide sa katawan and how it's going to really change your health in your life if you are taking it on a regular basis. And I would like to take note again. Wala po kayong makikitang product in the market today na kayang gawin yung ginagawa po ng Kayani Nitro. Okay? So, you better, no? Talagang talk to the person who invited you kasi importante yan. Sabi ko, you will never know the life you will save. Maybe that life is yours. Especially po sa mga may high blood dyan. No, sinasabi ko na po sa inyo, yung mga may high blood, yung may mga diabetes. Yan po kasing hypertensive drugs niyo. Don't get me wrong, okay? Hindi ko po sinasabi na itigil nyo yan. But what I'm trying to tell you here is that darating po yung time na mai-immune po kayo dyan sa gamot nyo na yan. Ang panong, alam nyo kung kailan? Hindi naman kayo pwede mag-overdose niyan. So you have to make sure lahat ng household, especially po yung mga merong high blood dyan, no? Nako, huwag kayong mawawalan nito kasi baka buhay nyo po yung kapalit, no? You will never know the life you will save. Maybe that life is yours. Okay? Now, let's proceed. Ano pa po ba yung nagagawa ng nitro effect, ladies and gentlemen? So, unang-una, grabe. Ayan, no? Yung tinatawag nating enables healthy inflammatory response. It will also promote circulation. Importante yan, no? Healthy inflammatory response kasi hindi mo maiiwasan yung trauma, yung viruses, bacteria, yung pagod, yung stress. Kailangan ma-cope up yun ng katawan mo every single day. So, yung nitric oxide po will play, yung nitro effect will help you when it comes to that inflammatory response. Also, yung proper circulation. Sabi nga nila, your blood flow is your life flow, which is true. Pag hindi maganda ang circulation, mahirap, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, yung balancing of blood sugar. When the blood sugar is balanced, your hormones is balanced. And when it's balanced, maiiwasan din po yung mga sakit-sakit. And digestions, because when digestion is optimized, nutrition will be absorbed. When nutrition is absorbed, your cells will be happy. When your cells are happy, you will not be sick. And lastly, yung pinaka medyo na hindi nabibigyan ng pansin, yung collagen resilience, which I will discuss later. So, anong ginagawa ng nitro effect? Number 1, it will activate yung cells natin. Ang tawag sa kanya, nitric oxide or the Nitro Nutrition Program is a cellular activation program centering on the most important molecule in your body, which is the nitric oxide. No, nagfo-focus po ang Nitro Nutrition Program sa regeneration and production of the nitric oxide. Anong ginagawa niya, no? So if the nitric oxide is produced, unang-una kakausapin niya yung body's intelligence natin. Kumbaga sa computer, mayroong artificial intelligence. Sa ating katawan may tinatawag po tayong BI, no? Bad influence, hindi. BI, body's intelligence. BI yung ba yung sumasayaw sa tawag ba doon yung sumasayaw sa ballroom? BI? DI pala yun, DI. So, BI, no? Body's intelligence, no? And at the same time, ang ginagawa po nito, pag kinausap niya, syempre, no? If it talks to the body's intelligence, it will boost the nutrition, no? Eventually, ng katawan natin, every system and every cell. Wow, no? So, let's talk about the different body intelligence of the Nitro Nutrition Program, kung bakit napakatindi po nito. Ayan, no? Number 1, body intelligence is the protection, no? Repair and protection. As you can see, every single day of our life, we are exposed with different free radicals, 'di ba? Yung oxidative stress na yan. Grabe din yung ginagawa sa cells natin. Ang ganda-ganda, mamula-mula, mamaya naging grapes. Mamula-mula naging grapes. May ganun ba? Dating pink, naging grapes. Oh, di ba? Parang meron, sounds familiar. Mukhang may ngumingiti-ngiti dito kasi mukhang familiar siya doon, no? So, ganun din pala yung nangyayari sa internal organs natin pag hindi siya naalagaan. And take note, ladies and gentlemen, nakakatakot yan kasi without you realizing, you have 37 trillion cells, ladies and gentlemen. Ha? 37 trillion cells in the human body. Ang tanong, no? Ang tanong, ano ang pinapakain mo dyan everyday? Sa 37 trillion cells mo. Napapakain ba? Tanungin mo sarili mo. Kung anong, mag-try mo mag-take note kung ano kinain mo. Kumain ka ng adobo na may itlog. Sa tingin mo, kaya niyang pakainin yung 37 trillion cells ng katawan mo everyday. Come to think of it. Grabe, dependent sa'yo yan. No, yung nutritional content niyan, dependent sa'yo, ladies and gentlemen. So, I don't know with you, but you have to really, take charge of that. Buti na lang, naglabas po ang Kayani Nitro Nutrition, no, ng ating pinaka-flagship product, yung tinatawag po natin Kayani Sunrise. Listen very carefully kung bakit ito sobrang powerful, why it is the best partner for your 37 trillion cells. Unang-una, yung Wild Alaskan, yung Kayani Sunrise po, ang pinakalaman niya is wild. Take note of the word, it's wild. It's wild Alaskan blueberries. From the word itself, it's wild, meaning it's far more higher than organic. Grabe, no? Wild yan. Organic yan, pero far more higher because it's wild. And not only that, dinagdagan po inila to ng 22 additional superfoods. Meron po itong fortified pa with vitamins, trace elements, may minerals, may vitamin C, may vitamin B complex, may folic acid, biotin, taurine, zinc, inositol, choline, L-theanine, natural trace minerals, and other phytochemicals, all in one sachet. Meaning, lahat po nandyan, yan po ang magnunourish ng 37 trillion cells mo. But, it doesn't stop there. Imaginein mo, sabi po ng US Department of Agriculture, ang tawag po sa kanya is miracle blueberry. Bakit siya tinawag na miracle blueberry? Kasi nagulat sila yung isang piraso, no, yung isang serving, no, ng Wild Alaskan blueberry is 10 times higher. Grabe, 10 times higher antioxidant than the common blueberry. Tingnan nga natin kung ano yung katumbas ng common blueberry. Ang common blueberry pala, para matapatan mo yung antioxidant capacity niya, kailangan mo kumain ng 24 na klase ng prutas, 23 na vegetables, 16 herbs, 10 different nuts, and 4 dried fruits. Pinagsasama-sama po yan. Ang katumbas lang is isang serving or yung prutas, isang klaseng prutas lang, yung blueberry. Grabe, 'di ba? So, take note, anong sabi kanina? 10 times tayo. So, in common sense, para kang kumain ng 240 na prutas, 230 na vegetable, 160 herbs, 10 different nuts, and 40 dried fruits kapag ikaw po ay uminom ng Kayani Sunrise. Grabe, ladies and gentlemen. Ayan. Yan ang produkto na dapat mong inumin everyday. Kasi 37 trillion cells po ang ninonorish niyan. And take note, ladies and gentlemen, ang pinakamaganda pa po dito is that hindi lamang po Wild Alaskan blueberry ang laman niya, meron pa po siyang asahi berry, maki berry, cranberry, red raspberry, grape skin, grape seed, mangosteen, pomegranate, raspberry. Superfoods, meron pa siyang ginseng, ashwagandha. We have herb extracts, spinach, green tea, kale, broccoli, amla, aloe vera, all in one sachet. Grabe. Kasi nga bakit 37 trillion cells po ang kakain niya. Tingnan niyo po yung ingredients nito. Ayan, yung nasa may baba, almost kalahati na ng page, ingredients lang. Hindi na po ito magkakasya sa label kung tutuusin. And grabe, you will never see a juice that is really concentrated to give you the benefits that your 37 trillion cells needs. At ang pinakamatindi niyan, in layman's term, imagine mo na lang kakainin mo po lahat ng prutas na to. Ang pinakamatindi diyan, 173 cups ng kalabasa, ladies and gentlemen. Kaya bang kainin yun? Plus 61 cups of avocados. Yan ang katumbas po ng sunrise natin. And not only that, it has 99 to 100% bioavailability. Lahat po yan maa-absorb ng katawan mo kapag ininom mo po yung sunrise, and it has more than 500,000 published clinical research. It's guaranteed to protect your cells, no, and help it to regenerate. Grabe, no? Now, let's go to another body intelligence. Their body's intelligence, tinatawag po nating cell recovery. Ang cell recovery is very important. That's the reason why ginawan po tayo ng Panginoon ng tinatawag po nating pagtulog. Nakakatulog po ba kayo gabi-gabi? Diba, bakit po tayo nakakatulog at ba't po tayo kailangan matulog? Kasi nagre-recover po ang katawan natin. Subukan mong wag matulog, ladies and gentlemen. Ang bigat sa katawan, no? And sino ang pinaka-best ka-partner ng ating cell recovery? Kasi sometimes, ang hirap din matulog. Bakit? Number one, baka dahil mong iniisip kasi iniisip mo kanino ka ba talaga kasama? Kay letter A o kay letter I? O, diba? Diba? Ibig ko sabihin, ang pogi mo kasi, ang dami mo tuloy, hindi lang naman pogi, baka maganda ka rin, diba? So, yun yung mga iniisip. O kaya, ang dami mong utang. So, minsan, ganun eh. Diba? Tama ba ako? Oo. Alam nyo kasi, ang hirap, no? Lalo pag dahil mong naatrasuhan, no? Mga ganun. So, ibig ko sabihin lang, bottom line, whatever it is, you need something that will help you during recovery. And take note, we have the best partner for that, which is my favorite! Woohoo! The sunset! Ladies and gentlemen, sunset is the best, no? Bakit po napakatindi po ng ating sunset? Is because number one, sabi po sa kanya, no, galing po kay Dr. Paul Davis, sinasabi po dito, he is the Chief Executive Director from New Zealand, Trinity Bioactives. 90% of your inflammation reduction is really going to be given pag uminom ko ito. Wow. Imagine mo, tutulog ka, sumiinom ka nito. Kaya grabe, no, relax na relax ka. Bakit? Ito yung nakugulat ako. Nung pinag-alanan ng scientist ng kanyang molecular structure, listen very, very carefully. Ito po yan. Grabe, no? Sabi dito, okay, number one, tocotrienose, tingnan nyo lang po yung naka-bold letter, is easier and more bioavailable to the tissue 70 times. Okay, point number one, ibig sabihin, take note, 70-fold. Unang-unang proof, pag ininom mo po yung sunset natin, it will go down deep to your tissues. Grabe, no? Tissues ang pinag-uusapan. Hindi lang yun, no? Pag pumasok siya sa tissues, ang gagawin niya, it has the better ability to move around the cells. Ibig sabihin, from tissues, magpe-penetrate siya sa cells, and pag nakapenetrate siya sa cells, ladies and gentlemen, ang gagawin niya, magpe-penetrate siya ng DNA mo. Bakit? Para pag pumasok sa DNA mo, i-activate niya yung mga gene signals. Grabe po ito. Pag ininom mo to, it penetrates up to your subcellular level. Una, sa tissues, pupunta sa cells, susunod sa genes, i-activate yung mga unang-una yung cholesterol regulation. Bakit importante yung cholesterol regulation? Kasi yan ang indication kung meron ng grabing inflammation sa katawan mo. At pag maraming inflammation sa katawan mo, nako, delikado yan. Diyan na magsisimula yung lahat ng sakit. Okay, and this is your partner to recover from all of those stressors sa buhay mo. Grabe po ito. And take note, hindi lang po yan. Ang pinaka-component po nito matindi, the tocotrienose. Yan po ang pinakamatinding vitamin E in the world. May omega-3, may astaxanthin, may vitamin E and vitamin D. Bukod pa po dyan, ito po yung mga ginagawa niya sa katawan. As you can see, napakaganda niya sa skin, sa hair, antioxidant, sa heart health, sa blood sugar, nire-reduce niya. Nakakatulong din po ito sa body balance. Sa mga merong diabetes dyan, this product is very, very good for you. Pati po yung mga matataas ng cholesterol, huwag nyo kakalimutan to. Another thing is that this product is going to protect you from the damage of the brain cells. And also, meron po itong anti-cancer activity. And take note, radiation protector and bone health. Dun ako na-amaze. Oy, may bago na namang positive dito sa Pilipinas, ha? Yung, ano yun, SpaceX, yung kay Elon Musk. Wow, maganda yun kasi bibilis nga ang internet pero congratulations, panibagong radiation na naman. O, diba? Isipin mo yan. The more technology we have, the more exposure that we are going to be in different kinds of radiations, pollutions, and damage. The more that you have to take good care of yourself kasi mahirap. Kapag hindi mo yun na-realize na, ladies and gentlemen, ang hirap po magkasakit. Ibibenta mo lahat, huwag ka lang magkasakit, lalo na pag sobrang in pain every single day. Grabe, no? Talagang yan ang mga dapat iniisip nyo. This one, very good radiation protector. And sa mga ladies, hindi po ito pa yung isang amazing dito, hindi po ito calcium, but it can really make your bones very strong. Ha? As in, wow, napakaganda niyan. Kasi sa mga iba na lalong-lalo na yung mga hindi po pwedeng mag-calcium, yung meron mga tama sa kidneys, nako, kailangan po ninyo yan. No? Ito makakatulong po sa inyo to help your bone recover. And another thing that I like with this product is that sa mga kaibigan po natin na meron mga cancer, na baka may kakilala kayo na gusto nyong tulungan, try recommending our products because according here, nandito po yan sa analytical chemistry ni Dr. Barry Tan, sabi niya Dan, the sunset has been repeatedly shown to inhibit proliferation and induce cancer cell death. So, wow yun. No? Talagang ini-inhibit niya yung cancer cell death. Grabe. Now, another thing is that tocotrain is also proven when it comes to, ayan po, yung sa tumors, no? Kasi yung tumor, pag lumalaki, dyan nagkukos ng masakit po sa mga natin, sa mga nadaganan yung mga organs, and that is very painful. At the same, it's going to restrict the circulation, mas lalong magkakasakit. It will hasten the nutrition ng katawan, no? Talagang wow. Kaya kailangan nyo pong ibigay ito sa mga, especially mga may cysts internally, may baka makatulong, no? Hindi natin ina-assure na makakagaling, but I guarantee you, makakatulong yan. Kasi it has proof and backup. No? What else it can do is that, there you go, no? When it comes to, yan, no? Yung mga brain cell damage, yung mga cholesterol prevention, sa mga may problema po sa brain, yung mga Alzheimer's, dementia, this is also very good. Alright, so we're done with another body intelligence, which is the cellular recovery. Now, let's go to the optimization of digestion. So, hindi ko po ito masyado i-discuss ngayon kasi wala pa siya. But I would like you to know that we are the only, ang tawag sa atin, nitrobiotics. Naku, I can't wait for this product to come on September. Isipin mo, ito lang po yung nitrobiotic na talagang nakasentro sa pag-produce ng nitric oxide. Actually, 5 yan. Discuss ko lang ng konti. Digestive support, liver support, kidney support, enzyme support, and nitric oxide support. 5-in-1 po yan. No, grabe po ito. Ready na ako mag-explain sa inyo ito once it's here. So, thank you, Lord. And another thing, another body intelligence is yung tinatawag po nating collagen resilience, no? Optimization now, the support, the body support, no? Bakit importanteng maintindihan nyo po itong collagen resilience? Kasi as you can see, napansin nyo, lahat ng tao pag nagkakaedad na, and especially yung mga sobrang stress, nagkakaroon ng mga body pains. Diba? Isipin mo ang tawag doon, stuck stress. Yung meron kang, yung dito, ayan o, yung, di mo maikot, grabe, nagsistiffen yung muscles, no, grabe, yung katawan mo, ang sakit. Kasi may tinatawag po tayong fascia. Ayan, yung fascia na yan yung isa sa mga pinaka-importanting connective tissues na nanineglect po ng katawan. And titigan mo po yung picture na yan, yung buong system ng katawan mo, ladies and gentlemen, ha? Yung buong system ng katawan mo, yung immune system, nervous system, digestive system, cardiovascular system, lahat yan magtataka ka, paano yan nagiging isa? Ang nagko-connect po dyan is yung tinatawag po nating fascia. Sabi po dyan is a vast network of connective tissue that makes your body a single continuous unit. capable of sensation and action. Remember, sensation and action, meaning it is related to pain receptors. Yan ang nagiging cause kapag hindi po okay ang fascia mo. Talagang diyan ka makakaramdam ng mga, oh my gosh, yung lubrication ng mga buto-buto mo, yan. Diyan ka na magkakaroon ka ng mga tennis elbow and this and that. So, kailangan mo yan maalagaan din if you want to live a pain-free life. So, ang fascia, ladies and gentlemen, is hindi lang niya kinokonek lahat ng organ, no? Pero, lahat ng nerve endings dependent din sa kanya. My gosh, ang nerve endings, yan na nagkukos ng sensation, ng pain. Kaya sabi ko, grabe pala to. Pag hindi mo to naalagaan, good luck, ladies and gentlemen. No, yung akala natin yan lang yung importante, yung sensory, yung eyes, yung skin, yung nose, yung tongue, 'di ba? No. But what's inside the body, okay? Sa inside ng body mo, napaka-importante po ng fascia. It is the most important sensory organ inside your body. Kasi pag hindi mo siya naalagaan, ladies and gentlemen, ikaw po ang mahihirapan. Ang sakit. Parang hindi mo ma-explain. Kahit anong gawin mo, hindi madidetect agad ng doktor yan. Kasi nga, yan ang problema, yung fascia. And nape-prevent po yan. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. My gosh, thank you Lord for HL5. This is your fascia's best friend. HL5. Alam niyo po ang collagen, ladies and gentlemen, no? Yan. Yan. Ang HL5, ladies and gentlemen, hindi po siya, ang collagen, akala nila sa beauty lang. No? May type 1, may type 2, madaming klase ng collagen. Pero meron din pong collagen na dapat na nagtitake good care ng internal organs, which is the type 3. Congratulations! Woohoo! May pampaganda na po ito. Meron pa po ito nung collagen for the fascia. Napaka-intake mo liquid, ladies and gentlemen. Meron pang probiotics, may prebiotics, meron pa siyang nitric oxide production din, no? Nag-i-induce din siya. So, grabe, we are the only fast-absorbing nitric oxide producing collagen in the market. So, thank you Lord talaga for kaya. Nino, ang galing-galing. Now, as you can see, there you go. Last but not the least, no, yung pagkatapos ng support, kailangan mo syempre, ito na, dito ka na mag-i-interior design. No, yung body balance. Oh, yung mga gustong magpa-sexy dyan, magpa-macho, yung gustong maging 6-pack ab, hindi 1-pack ab. Ang ganda ng ab mo, ah. 'Di ba? 'Di ba dapat abs, hindi ab. Ab. 'Di ba? May mga ab. So ngayon ko lang 'to naintindihan. And sabi ko nga, gagawin na natin 'to, 'di ba? Sa June, yun ang meron tayong reset. So I'm ready for my reset. So sabi dito, okay, intindihin mabuti. Ito na yung yung pagbabalance ng sugar, yung body balance, no? So, sabi dito, kaya pala bumababa pag sobrang dami ng carbohydrates mo per meal. Ano yun? Grabe ako, I love carbs. Pasta, pizza, kanin, o di ba? Yung mga yan, ako, yun pala, hindi pala masyadong dapat madami yan. Pero hindi din dapat wala. Ang gagawin niyan, yung blood sugar mo, tataas. Pag marami kang carbs, kaya ito yung mga umiinom po ng mga Ensure, ayokong banggitin yung ano na yun basta, yun na yun. Sobrang dami pong carbs niyan. Sino nagturo? Yung ating mentor, di ba? 35 grams of carbs yan. So, sobrang dami. Kawawa naman yung mga senior natin na umiinom. Buti na lang, meron tayong Origin. Woohoo, ladies and gentlemen. Origin. Yung mga mommies na kaysa mag-insure kayo or whatever supplemental drink na milk, ito na lang po yung inumin ninyo. Kasi ito, bukod po dun sa nagpo-provide siya ng ating body support, gawa po ito, plant-based po ito So, ang maganda sa kanya is that meron po itong pea protein, organic pumpkin seed, meron pa siyang fiber, plus may L-citrulline. Napakaganda po nito. At mas mura po siya doon sa iniinom nyo, guaranteed, no? Tanungin nyo lang po yung nag-invite sa inyo. And take note, kapag stable po ang blood sugar natin, ang gagawin po pala ng katawan natin, i-release yung mga taba-taba na minahal natin. O, diba? Magkakahiwalay na rin tayo sa lahat. Ba't ba ayaw mo kaming lubayan? Alam mo yung taba, siya lang yung talagang hate na hate mo, pero kahit ramdam mong hate na hate mo siya, ayaw kanyang iwan. No, taba ka ba? Taba ka ba? Di ba? Oh, di ba? Kasi pag ang rason pala nun, ikaw rin may kasalanan kasi hindi mo alam kung paano yung pagbabalanse niyan. Ako hindi ko rin yan alam. Buti na lang naging part ako ng Nitro Nutrition Program kasi meron tayong matinding coach na ipapakilala ko din po sa inyo. At kapag balanse ang iyong blood sugar, doon may eliminate yung mga sugar cravings mo. Grabe, no? Kaya dapat talaga alam mo kung paano siya gagawin. And take note, ladies and gentlemen, yung mga nag-skip ng meals, which is ako, guilty ako dyan. Kaya pala, pag nag-skip ka pala ng meals, kasi hindi mo naiintindihan yun, maglulose ka nga ng weight, pero mawawala din yung muscles mo, mapapalitan ng fats. Pag nawala yung muscles mo, ang mangyayari sa'yo, mas lalo kang tataba. Kahit mukha kang payat, marami ka pa ring fats. So, pag bumalik ka na sa normal, yun, mas mataba ka ngayon. Oh, yun pala yun. Kaya pala siya ganyan, no? Buti na lang, no, naintindihan ko na yan ngayon. Kaya, wow, no? Sabi nga, ito daw, dapat ang unang-una mong gawin, kung gusto mo talagang maging super sexy or talagang macho guapito ka, kung gusto mo, no? Kailangan maintindihan mo tong body balance na to. Number 1, kapag mataas ang muscles mo, ayan, when the blood sugar is stable, meron kang muscles, yung fat, i-release siya sa bloodstream. Ang gagawin, yung muscles mo, i-absorb niya yung fat. Tapos, magagawin yung muscle, i-burn niya yun as energy. And then, magiging strong yung muscles and lalaki siya. Kesa yung hindi mo yan ginagawa. Kaya ang mangyayari, congratulations, sampalok model. O, diba? Ayan. So, anyway, mag-alala kung hindi mo siya naiintindihan, congratulations, no? Meron tayong mga products na yan, magkakaroon ka po ng libreng coaching with. Diba? Kasi ang tanong dyan, sige, Miss Cookie, gustong-gusto ko yung sinasabi mo, kaya hindi naman tayo expert. Don't worry, kapag naging part ka ng Nitro Nutrition Program, magkakaroon ka po ng coaching with Mr. Mark McDonald. Sino po ba siya? Watch this video.
Meet Mark McDonald, the founder of Venice Nutrition and the International Board of Nutrition and Fitness Coaching. He is the author of 2 New York Times best-selling books and a featured health expert for CNN, HLN, Dr. Oz, Access Hollywood, The Today Show, Good Morning America, Fox News, The 700 Club, and The Chelsea Show. As Kyani's newest scientific advisory board member, Mark is also the co-creator of the Nitro Nutrition Program, a global wellness movement that is bringing hope to people looking to reach their health and nutrition goals. Now, let Mark show you how you can experience the Nitro effect and take your health to the next level.
Hi, Mark McDonald here, co-creator of Nitro Nutrition. Are you ready to experience the Nitro effect? The Nitro Nutrition Program is here, a simple system delivering lasting results and lifelong change. Nitro Nutrition is the plan, the products, and the community that will help you experience the Nitro effect, which enables a healthy inflammatory response, promotes circulation, naturally balances blood sugar, optimizes digestion, and supports collagen resilience in your body. And best of all, it's a simple 2-step plan that resets your body and accelerates your results, all supported by cutting-edge nature-based products to fill your nutritional gaps. And on top of that, we have a global community that's with you every step of the way to answer questions, provide inspiration, and keep you moving toward your goals. If you're ready to experience the Nitro effect and unlock your body's full potential, simply connect with the person who shared this video with you. Next level of health, here you come.
O, diba? Grabe. Isipin mo. Ay, kakaiba talaga tong Nitro Nutrition Program. Isipin mo ha, ang ginawa nila, binigyan ka ng foundation, no? Parang bahay. Di ba sa bahay, ang pinakaunang-unang gagawin mo, kung magtatayo ka ng napakagandang bahay, iisipin mo na yung foundation, correct? So, ang foundation ng lahat ng ating pinag-uusapan today is how we are going to make sure that the nitric oxide of your body is going to be up to the utmost level. Kaya nga, highest level of health, here we come. O, di ba yun ang sabi niya? So, yun, lahat ng products natin is going to produce that. Pero ang pinakamatindi, kakausapin niya yung body's intelligence mo. Unang-una, yung protection and support, nandun si sunrise. Pangalawa is yung recovery, andun si sunset. Pangatlo is yung digestion, nandun sa restore. Pagkatapos nun is yung support, no? Yung body support, which is yung andyan si HL5. At pagkatapos nun is yung body balance. Nandun na po si Fit20, si Origin, and we have the coach. At meron pang pinakamatinding darating, si Electro. Yun po yung magsusolidify ng lahat ng to. So my point is, you will never see a program in the world na talagang nakatutok doon sa optimum health na kayang ibigay sa'yo ng program. Hindi po ito makukuha kahit saan. And take note, if you are going to be part of this movement, libre po yung coaching ni Sir Mark McDonald, ha? Sipin mo, libre. Ay, nako, ang mahal magbayad ng mga dietitian and yung mga recipes. Naku, libre ng po lahat dito. At hindi po one time. Lagi po yun. Kaya nga sinasabi niya, di ba, yung the plan. Meron po tayong tinatawag na 21-day research and monthly accelerate. One time ka lang mag-i-invest to your health, no? Invest in your health, but you will get all of this. And not only that, yung community, di ba? The plan, the products, and the community. And take note, hindi lang yan. Meron pa po tayo, congratulations, business na kayang ibigay sa'yo. Now, bahala ka kung gusto mo itong gawin. But for me, oh my gosh, this is the best ever business na pwede mong gawin. Bakit? Unang-una, there's no ibig sabihin, walang tutumbas na kayamanan sa health. Maraming tao ang may pera, pero pag nag-deteriorate ang health, good luck. Hindi niya kayang, alam mo yun, hindi mo kayang bilhin yan. Kahit sino, Steve Jobs, di ba? Isipin mo si Steve Jobs, pinagsisisihan niya daw lahat. Ang kailangan lang daw niya, I will never forget his speech, sabi niya, all what is left is memories that is precipitated by love. Ano ibig sabihin? Lahat ng achievements wala. Lalo na pag nasa brink of death ka na. Which is true. Now, we are given a chance to enjoy and be part of an amazing program, a movement that is guaranteed, that's going to change your life forever, that was going to give you optimum health. And take note, if you're going to take this seriously, magiging blessed ka pa, hindi lang healthy, but financially. Bakit? Built-in po ito. Wala ka pong choice. Nasa sayo na lang, nasa kamay mo. Kung bubuksan mo, gagawin mo o hindi. Bakit? Unang-una, I'll just give you a glimpse. We will have a separate meeting for this, yung detailed on how can you, sa lahat lang po ng interesado, how are you going to maximize this. But, again, what I'm pointing here is that ikaw ang business dito. Ikaw at ang pagtulong mo sa iba. That's why we call this meeting I Care Meeting, because we care about you and we are asking you to pay it forward. Care to others as well. No, talagang sabi ko nga, kausap ko nga ang ating president, no, ang ating CEO si Ma'am Katie. Si Ma'am Katie, ang sabi ko sa kanya, when we do our meetings, we don't just do ordinary meetings. It's not opportunity meetings. We call our meeting I Care Meeting because this is a meeting with the heart, which is true. And I think yun ang pinaka-the best, no? Yung parang kumikita ka dahil nagbe-bless ka ng iba. At kumikita sila dahil nagiging blessing sila iba. And that is amazing. Now, I'm going to give you a glimpse of what you're going to get here. Besides po dun sa ating program na Nitro Nutrition Program, right? Unang-una, meron po itong patented business model na ang pinaka way on how you're going to enjoy your earnings is that magiging part ka po ng profit margin sharing ng company. Wow, amazing. Imaginein mo, gagamit ka lang ng products, which we call it profitable consumerism. You will just have to consume and make profit from what you are taking. Imagine mo, making profit by making yourself healthy and helping others be healthy as well. Can you imagine? And take note, the Nitro Nutrition can only be seen in this program. And ang pinakamaganda pa doon, ladies and gentlemen, is that it's like a simple reward system. Points lang po ito. Parang kapareho po ng SM Advantage and yung mga mercury drugs, if you're familiar with that. But here, iba lang ng konti ang mechanics. Unang-una, instead of you having a card here, you're going to get an ID number. And then, of course, napaka-importante po ng taong nag-invite sa'yo. They are your angel, I tell you. Bakit? This is only for invitation. Kasi, both of you, kasi kung hindi dahil sa kanila, hindi nyo ito magigets at hindi kayo mabibless. That's why the company is going to give you benefits. Ito po yung mga benefits. Pareho po kayong magkakaroon ng benefits. So, number 1, meron po itong car and dream house program. Woohoo! Imagine! Wow! Talagang wow! Pero take note, this bonus is only for those who's going to really decide to do, because this is also hard work. Lahat po ng pagbabago sa buhay, no, if you really want to get or gain from paghihirapan mo din talaga siya. You will be intentionally sharing this, you will be giving your time and, you know, your effort to others, but it's all worth it. Alright? So, yung Car and Dream House program po nito, unang-una is that it's unlimited. So, pwede ka magpalit ng kotse every 5 years. Pangalawa is, meron pong nakalaan na down payment or accrual payment. Decision mo din. Kung gusto mong ipunin yung down payment mo na aabot po ng 1 taon bago mo kunin, pwede rin po yun. Another thing is that this is lifetime. Wow! Imagine mo life. Kasi bakit? Habang may gumagamit ng products, habang merong mga taong nabibless, grabe, billions po ang tao sa mundo. It is in your hands, no, kung paano mo sila kakausapin, and you have the heart to take care of them, 'di ba? So lifetime po ang car program dito. And flexible, bakit? Number 1, ikaw pipili ng kotse na gusto mo. Pangalawa, nakapangalan po sa ito kahit yung company ang nagbabayad. And take note, grabe, the more people you help, the more rewards you will get. Meron po tayong mga tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, tier 4, tier 5, and tier 6. Bakit ganyan yan, Miss Cookie? Kasi dumadami ang tao. Siyempre, pag dumadami ang tao, dumadami rin ang reward mo. Tier 1, pwede ka kumita ng up to 26,500. Tier 2, 63,500. Tier 2, 132,500. Tier 4, 265,000 pesos. And Tier 5 is 530,000 pesos every month. Yan po ang pwede mong makuha dito. Again, if you are interested with this, we have a separate detailed training about this. Pwede po kayong umattend. Alright? Now, next is we have another thing bukod sa Car and Dream House program natin, we have retirement program. What is that? The retirement program, ladies and gentlemen, is that, take note, lahat ng produkto na binibili mo para ka nagsisave sa iyong piggy bank. Meron po yung points, no? Hindi lang yon, pati lahat ng taong ikaw ang nag-invite at yung mga taong gumagamit down the line para kang nagkaroon ng global community, para kang nagkaroon ng Mercury Drugs at Watsons, kapag gumagamit sila due to the power of the ID number. Remember, nakikita po ng system natin yan, nagdo-donate po sila doon, para sila nagdo-donate, no? Para sa retirement program mo. And ang pinakamaganda doon, nag-i-increase po ito ng 10% per annum. Ladies and gentlemen, we are the only industry who is giving this, kasi ganun po kabait ng company. At the same time, we are capable of doing this. Ang pinakamatindi pa, it is transferable. Ibig sabihin, whatever happens sa'yo, lahat ng pinaghirapan mo, yung binild mo na business, pwede po yung ipasa sa mga heirs mo. Alright? Another thing is that meron din po itong cash reward. Siyempre, parang graduation. Every time you are hitting your milestone. Ito po, no, kapag nag-graduate kang tawag graduation gift. Number 1, kapag na-hit mo yung level 6, meron kang 265,000. Level 8, 1.325 million. Level 10, 5.3 million. Level 12, 26.5 million, and level 14, 53 million. Ano yan, Miss Cookie? Again, the details. Pwede kang umattend if you really want to know this. But what I'm trying to imply to each and every one of you, there is a chance for you to change your life and bless others by being part of the Nitro Nutrition movement, by being responsible in taking good care of yourself and having the heart to care to others, no? Kumbaga, para magkaroon ka ng concern, ito po yung mga rewards na nag-a-await sa'yo monetarily. And of course, ito pa pinakamatindi, we're a global company. We're existing in 61 countries. So just imagine, kapag nahihit mo yung volume, which is 100,000 points every month, congratulations, lahat ng tao gumagamit in 61 countries, magkakaroon ka ng profit share. Remember kanina, sinabi ko, meron po tayong profit margin sharing. And of course, yung travel, woohoo! Pwede na mag-travel! Yeah, baby! So, grabe din to. Hi, I never imagined that I can, go around the world for free. And my God, I can't wait to travel again next year, no? So, next year po, yan, mga may libre po tayong travel. And of course, yung passive income. You know, itong passive income na to, grabe. Nakakatuwa. Just imagine what is worse than pandemic. Hindi natin alam kung kailan pa tayo, kung kailan pa ito mauulit. But at the end of the day, iba pa rin yung meron kang naiipon. Iba pa rin yung merong pumapasok na income sa'yo ng kahit hindi ka, hindi ka paycheck to paycheck. Iba pa rin yun, ladies and gentlemen. So, this opportunity can give that for you. And another thing is that meron kang global business reach. Anong ibig sabihin? Kahit nandito ka sa Pilipinas, kapag meron kang link, pinag-aralan mo yung system, pwede kang kumuha ng mga customers mo sa US, pwede kang kumuha ng customers mo sa ibang bansa. Ladies and gentlemen, ganun po ito ka-powerful. And take note, yung recognition, masarap po ma-recognize. And of course, you are going to make your country very, very, very proud. And not only them, pati yung mga kids mo, di ba? Imagine their parents are cheering up for you or your special someone or your mom and dad. Grabe po, no? That is, people are social being. Napaka-importante din po talaga yung mga ganyang bagay. And, of course, yung personal development. Personal development is really going to happen to you here because in this business, talagang yung genuine care and your heart for service, yan po yung pinaka-importante dito if you really want to succeed. And at the same time, talagang mas malalapit ka kay God. Kasi dito talaga, iba pa rin pagka-team up mo si Lord, di ba? So, are you ready to start? Simple lang po, no? Number 1, just activate your account. Ang recommendations ko po is yung Nitro Nutrition bundle natin, which is 31,500. You get that. But marami pa po. If you can see that your family can get involved, meron po kami tinatawag na Auto Jade program. That is your family business model. It will be discussed again, dun po sa ating, sa ating detailed comp plan, which is going to be scheduled in the next few days. Another thing is that, of course, you use the products. That's the purpose of this one. Bonus lang naman talaga yung income. But again, alright, use the product. This is for you. This is for everybody para humaba ang buhay mo, para wag ka magkasakit at maging blessing ka sa iba. And last, pay it forward. Kapag ginawa mo yon, nag-invite ka, don't forget, ang initial is Finder 3. Kapag nakahanap ka ng 3, congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. Woohoo! You can now do the business, and of course, it's going to change your lives little by little. But again, if you take it seriously, magugulat ka sa Draxis Change. And wag kang mag-alala, lahat po yan, magkakaroon ka ng online accounting system. Meron kang, mamomonitor mo po lahat yan. And take it, it's free. You can use it kahit saang parte po ng mundo. And meron tayong Zoom, no? Ito, and of course, I will be, bukod sa ating support sa Zoom, no? Kasi iba na talaga ngayon sa online and offline support. Abangan nyo po yung dropshipping system natin. At the same time, yung pag-ikot ko po sa buong Pilipinas, ladies and gentlemen, magkakaroon po tayo ng world-class training platform and more to come. We love you. We care about you. Nitro Lifers, we love you so much. So, continue to spread the word. Let's give hope and inspiration to everybody. Nitro Nutrition Movement, let's go. Bye!